Yeah, it's a lot easier now. Though. Like when I got my, since I have my mind cleared, like it's a lot easier.
Good, right?
Yeah.
You look good, man.
And sometimes gotta hit rock bottom to get back up. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
That's
this,
what happened.
what's up with this phone? This one work?
Ah, you can't put service on that. That's too old school. That I would
My
love to.
dad's
That's the
still
next
looking.
shit.
My dad is still looking for a Boost Mobile flip phone. My
They
dad-
don't have them at the stores.
Nah, you can see you gotta order them, but you don't like to. You don't want to order it with his credit card.
Yeah, I did. I thought they had some at the store. Yeah, that's a Nextel, bro. That's old school.
Hey, that's a bleep.
I tried it. Yeah, I used to like it because if you didn't have service, like if you didn't pay your bill, you could still chirp.
Yeah, you can still chirp. That's a fact.
Yeah.
That's a fact,
So
yo.
you didn't even need service half the time.
That's a whole fact. You could just go just like this too.
Yeah.
Go like, yo,
Mhm.
where you at?
Yeah, people would just come in. You'll have it in your pocket, and people like be like, "Yo, what's going on?" Yo,
Yo, where you at?
yeah, exactly. Like it'll just come in. You ain't even have to pick it up. The call will just come right in.
Mm-hmm. That's a whole fact.
That's different. We're almost done. This razor is. Come on. Oh, here's a good one. Yeah, I got this shit down to a science. 10 minutes. Takes me 10,
How's
10
little man
10 to-
doing?
Yeah, he's doing good with school. He doesn't really fix phones right now.
No.
He yeah, after school he's like, fuck that. I wanna go play video games. I wanna go play with my friends, you know? It's a lot, man, going to school for 8 hours and then having to work, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that is. School is a fucking job at that.
Yeah, so once he gets out of school he's kinda like tired. You know what I mean? He just wants to play with his friends. So
Yeah, chill out.
I ain't really stressing it. Maybe like in the summer he'll come back. He still does them like once in a blue, but
Mm-hmm.
he's not on it like that anymore. Not like how he was during the summer.
Yeah, you feeling old, right?
Yeah, he was fixing more phones than me. I was just getting the people and he was fixing them. I just want him to stay motivated, you know? He was making good money too.
Yeah.
The thing is, he made too much. I think he did.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I'm not like the type of parents. You know how there's some parents, like, they'll have the kid freaking lawnmower, like, freaking 7 yards and then give him $20 at the end of the day, knowing that he made like 5.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not like that. I will give him, like, if I made 5, I'll give him 2. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because he deserved it. He did most of the work.
That's a fact.
You know, I used to treat him like a, you know what I mean? Like an employee, not like, that's different. Yeah, exactly. I don't like that when parents put their kids to like do all this work and then they give them $20. Like, don't kids know what it is? They know they can't buy no Xbox game with $20.
That's a whole fact.
You know, so he make good money, so he still got money left.
Word?
Yeah. He bought Yeezys, Kappa hoodies. He was freaking balling.
Kappa? Yeah.
Yeah. And Yeezys, he paid $550 for a pair of kicks. I was like, oh hell no. Well, I guess we've all done it at some point in our lives.
Yeah.
You learn your lesson though. Once you buy that $500 pair, you're like, damn, they were nice, but I ain't doing that again.
That's a fact. Right?
That's like when I
$150
spent,
on-
yeah, I spent like $250 growing up on Jordans. I loved them, but then I never did it again. And that was back in the days, $250. So that's like 5 now. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
So we've all done it before. I let him do it. Yeah, it's his money. He earned it.
Mhm.
hell? I didn't see anything. Seen how it was like. Should be fine once I put the screws in. That's probably what it's doing it. Yeah. Is the phone there? Shit, I just ordered a bunch of chargers, man. Fuck.
It probably was on low.
Yeah, I think it's dead. Let's check. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, it just took a minute. There it goes. Come over here.
Good looks, brother.
Oh shit! This is the wrong size. I gotta organize these back here. I should have their size. Hope so.
If you don't, it's alright.
I think I do. It's right here. Oh, well, that's not good. See, it's cracked. I think they fell the other day and fucking a bunch of them cracked. Did it come on?
Yeah, it can.
I think
It's alright if you ain't got it, bro.
I have them, just gotta give them.
There we go. Yeah, boy. Look me up like always. You can take that first one off too, right?
You have to, yeah, you have to. That's not really a screen protector at all. You can't even hear anything if you keep that on there because the speaker is
Oh,
blocked.
yeah, that's a
It's good to do it right now because it's clean. You won't get any bubbles, you know?
That's the man. My man hooked me up like always. Man, how many times have you fixed phones for me? Oh my god, I'm horrible with them.
Yep. Just making sure there's no bubbles, which there isn't. You're good now.
What do you think I should go with, Boost or Metro?
I don't like both of them. I like Simple Mobile or Straight Talk. That's my shit. You ain't gotta talk to nobody. You go right to the bring your own phone thing.
Mm-hmm.
You could even get it at Family Dollar. Bring your own phone and just